Welcome to Global Market Insights, your market research partner. According to a report by GMI, the global sandwich maker market size was valued at $3.3 billion United States dollars in 2023 and is anticipated to register CAGR of over 4.4% between 2024 and 2032. The market will cross $4.8 billion United States dollars valuation by 2032, as per a report by Global Market Insights. Rising demand for convenient appliances and increased income levels are some of the major industry growth drivers. Based on product type, Panini Press Sandwich Maker dominated the market in 2023, acquiring a market of $1.2 billion United States dollars. Based on application, the residential segment dominated the market in 2023 by acquiring a market share of 71.6%, says this GMI report. Regionally, North America accounted for market share of 28.4% in 2023. Key players in the sandwich maker market include the following. Thank you for watching. Access the report by clicking on the link provided in the description. Don't miss out on valuable insights.